Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create course mockups. Now, if you are into info products, if you are into coaching and consulting, you will definitely have some online courses. So as someone like me who is not good into graphics, uh, decent enough and have lesser or no Photoshop skills, how do you create beautifully design mockups? So let's start. I'll be using templates to save some time, right? So yeah, let's go to canva.com. Okay, I was just sharing some songs before this. Just go to create a design and go to A4 document, right? You got the A4 document. Now for example, you want to create a mockup like this. Now you have to apply your creativity as well, but I'm just showing you a way to get things done. Okay, so this is something amazing. uh, right this is a box mockup for course. Okay, so I like the design. Now this is not the things that you should include on the course. Okay, chalo, I take some things like, okay, let's create a simple mockup with this, right? SEO bundle, bundle. Okay, this is SEO bundle. Please design good mockups. I'm just showing a way to do stuff. Okay, you can apply your creativity and create more beautiful mockups. My job is to just show you how to do it, and just get the size. Okay, so it is, width is 21 and height is 29.7. So always remember height of this, but 29.7 centimeters. Now go to Canva, create design, custom size. What height did we check here? 29.7. 29.7, not pixels, it is in centimeter. And the width should be 29, so 3 centimeter. Okay, 29.7. Let me check at 29.7. Okay, so you have created width, you have created height, just create a new design. Okay, you have that height, you have the width. Now what you do is, you see that you have written SEO bundle here. Just Control C, go in this tab Control V, right? And you will see that it is written here. Now just use this twister to make it vertical, right? And then what you will do is just push it so that it comes in single line, and then click on the plus icon to increase the size of the stuff, right? So okay, I don't know why I'm making this crazy noise. Anyways, SEO bundle, and then maybe you can add by Purav, just to cover the blank spaces, and then adjust it somehow in the given area, and then put it in the center. Now Canva offers you some assistance while putting it into the center. So okay, let us name it this as vertical. Okay, and let us name this as front, just for the sake of understanding. Okay, now let us go to this site. This site is called as DIYBookCovers.com. Now go to book designs and go to 3D mockups. Okay, step one, let us try an individual. Now you need to all the way scroll down and go to this mockup. Now, why this mockup? Because it doesn't show the blank pages things. So it looks way better. Okay, so just click on this and click on next. Now in the first one, I have not downloaded. Download it. I have downloaded the vertical now. Download. Then go and download the front one. Okay, front is multiple images. Let us delete this. Okay, now it is one image. Download. Download. Okay, so I have the front part as well as the vertical part. Okay, now go to 3D book cover. Click on browse. Go into your downloads folder. Select front. All right, for the first one, you will select front. Now, as soon as you click, you will see nothing here. But when you click on upload, you will see that the front one is uploaded, right? So you can see here SEO bundle, right? Now click on browse for the second tab and then click on vertical, open. You will see nothing here, but when you click on upload, it will upload vertical PNG, right? And you can check below here. Barabar. Okay. Now all the way scroll. Okay. It is here. The text of it is here. So click on next. You just verify every detail is there. Once you do, just scroll down and select PNG. PNG, why PNG? Because it has transparent background. Okay, so 1 2 3 and stuff is ready. Now sometimes there is here and there in this design, but when you do it multiple times, it will be done better. So voila, the design is ready, right? It has transparent background, and the mockup is looking so superb, right? So that's how you create bundles. Doing amazing. Okay, now if you like the video, because such videos, easy tutorials are not available in the market. I know it. Come on, I have searched it. So please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you receive such awesome tutorials. Okay, till the time, see you then. Take care. Bye bye, and keep experimenting.